Are you putting a camera up or are you bringing it down?
You ask permission to take a picture.
No, I don't need to ask permission. No, I don't.
Yes.
No, I don't.
But I can prosecute you.
No, you can. Go on then.
Yeah.
You can't prosecute me.
Yeah, of course I can.
What are you doing anyway?
It's a traffic survey.
Hey?
Traffic survey.
Graphic survey? Traffic survey? Yeah, but that's a camera there. That one pointing over there.
I'm gonna move the camera. That column.
How long's that been up there then?
In the morning, there was nothing.
Well, as you heard there, claim that he's going to prosecute me because I don't have permission to film him, where you can film anybody in the public, especially on, like, in the street. People don't really understand what the law is. Law is law of the land, and then you've got legal, which is what's actually been created in a courtroom. And what you see here with this guy is he doesn't actually know the law. But he's putting a camera up. First of all, he looked like he was going to put it up at the other place, and I believe that it was up there. No one had noticed it. But when you're walking around the street, you never know what cameras are around the street filming people when they don't know that they're being filmed. And that's an invasion of privacy. Hey, you're not allowed to put that up there. You're not allowed to film people. It's illegal. I'm going to prosecute you. I'm going to prosecute you. You don't know the law, whereas I do. Why are you putting that up there then? For me?
Yeah.
Ah, good. What company do you work for? See, look, camera going up. God knows what that's going to film. I'm probably going to pick up vaccinated people walking around the street. Probably got 5G in it.